I believe the Spirit has been speaking to my heart to talk about winds or storms or the Euroclydon. And in looking at Acts 2, verse 1 through 4, it says, "And when the day of Pentecost was fully come, they were all with one accord in one place. And suddenly there came a sound from heaven, as of a rushing mighty wind, and it filled all the house where they were sitting. And there appeared unto them cloven tongues like as of fire, and sat upon each of them. And they were all filled with the Holy Ghost, and began to speak with other tongues, as the Spirit gave them utterance." And this wind is like a breath. It's a blowing. It has translations of words that mean current air, something that's breezy. And the wind is representation of the spirit and vital principles and mental dispositions and superhumans and like ghost or spirits. And the wind, the ru'ah, translated wind, is breath, sensible, even violent spirit. But today I just want to start by saying in the future, in recent weeks or near weeks, I will be speaking on the Euroclydon. And there are questions that we ask when we even hear about a storm or we hear about a violent wind. Sometimes it's why? Why is it coming? When is it coming? What shall we do? Can it be stopped? How can it be stopped? Will we survive? How can we help others if we do survive? How do we prepare? Winds are contrary. They travel. They make impact. They cause us to search for solutions. They are ferocious. They uproot and they tear down. And many times they reestablish. Sometimes they kill. Sometimes they cause fire. There was a song, or there is a song that says, "There's a storm coming and we better run." And there's a storm coming and it's moving this way. So do we realize we cannot outrun the storm? What is our anchor in the storm if it is not Jesus? There's a saying, the violent take it by force. And we've watched this many times, the storm uproot homes, families, places, things, buildings that were meant to prove that the wind couldn't shake it. But the storms come in various lives, ways, means, methods. And there are supernatural things that happen many times in violent storms. But in the near future, we will talk about this. So today, I just wanted to inform you that these lessons are coming. And we will ask and answer questions that the Lord has basically put on our hearts. And we would hope that you would join us to listen, to actually be led of the Spirit, and realize that sometimes storms awaken us and cause us to rise up above where we are or get out of our comfort zones. So I would ask that you would join us in the coming weeks. Thank you for listening.